Lagos State Police Command has arrested a man operating a illegal blood bank in the Shomolu area of the state. Senior reporter Ivy Kanu reports that the suspect had been doing the business for the past 5 years.
That's the police boss leading newsmen to the suspect's home at number 18, Kusa Street, Shomolu. That welcomes any visitor to his one-room apartment doorpost, where he lives with his family.
What work do you do?
Well, I'm a lab scientist.
You're a lab scientist. Where did you study to be a lab scientist?
I studied from Nigerian Institute of Science Laboratory Technology.
Where?
Samanda Sango, UI.
According to the police boss, it is in this one-room facility that the suspect takes blood from his victims.
The report that reached the police is that you are using this room where you stay with your family to collect blood from young boys between the ages of 12 and 17. And in turn, you give them 2,000 naira. It is my intention to find out if the labs and the hospitals he's naming are duly registered, if they are credible, and why they would be collecting blood for sale from a person such as this.
After leaving the apartment, the suspect led operatives to the hospital where he supplies the blood. The suspect says he's popular in the area and has been into the act for the past 5 years.
I am known for that.
How do you get them? How do you get your...
They come by themselves.
How? Someone cannot just come
No,
to
they
you
will.
now.
Some of them have my number and they call.
This 17-year-old boy, who is his last victim, was said to have donated blood to the suspect 4 times in a month. His mother says he's been ill.
So he didn't tell me anything.
He did not. Even his senior sister, we are together. He did not tell that one. The junior ones did not tell them anything. I now asked him why. He said the man said that he should not tell me anything. Except it's only one thing that I noticed, blood tonic, this ferrous blood tonic. I saw the blood tonic with him.
The police said they will ensure that those mentioned and the suspects are thoroughly investigated and charged. Ivy Kanu, TVC News, Lagos.